Most people get this wrong when comparing FieldPulse and Housecall Pro. They assume both tools do the same thing, so the choice does not matter much. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real difference is not features. It is how each platform changes the way you run your entire field service business. Quick promise. In the next few minutes you will understand exactly how FieldPulse and Housecall Pro compare in 2026, including ease of use, pricing style, job management, mobile experience, and which one fits your business better. Let's start with the basics. Both FieldPulse and Housecall Pro are field service management platforms used by contractors like plumbers, HVAC technicians, electricians, and cleaning companies. Think of someone like Jake, who runs a growing plumbing business with 8 technicians. His main problem is not getting work. It is organizing jobs, dispatching crews, and getting paid on time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro is built for simplicity and speed. It is designed so you can set it up quickly and start booking jobs almost immediately. The interface is clean, modern, and very beginner-friendly. If you are a small to mid-size business owner who wants something that just works without complexity, Housecall Pro feels very smooth. FieldPulse, on the other hand, is built for customization and control. It gives you deeper workflows, more flexible job tracking, and stronger internal process management. But here's the problem. That extra power means a slightly steeper learning curve. Let's talk scheduling. Housecall Pro gives you a very visual calendar where you can drag, drop, and assign jobs quickly. It is perfect for owners like John, who runs a small cleaning company and needs fast scheduling without thinking too much. FieldPulse also has scheduling, but it goes deeper. You can build multi-step job workflows, customize job stages, and create more detailed operational processes. This is better for teams that want structure across multiple crews. Now, pricing. Housecall Pro usually follows a more standardized subscription model with clear tiers. It is predictable, but can become expensive as you add more features and users. FieldPulse pricing is more flexible, but often quote-based, which means costs can vary depending on your setup. But here's the key difference most people miss. Automation and workflow control. FieldPulse tends to offer stronger customization for internal processes. Housecall Pro focuses more on simplicity and ease of use rather than deep customization. Mobile experience is another big factor. Housecall Pro is extremely polished on mobile. Technicians can view jobs, update statuses, and send invoices easily. FieldPulse is also strong, but feels more like a control center for detailed job management. So which one should you choose? If you want something fast, simple, and easy to train your team on, Housecall Pro is usually the better fit. If you need more control, advanced workflows, and plan to scale operations with multiple teams, FieldPulse becomes more powerful. Here are the key takeaways. Housecall Pro is simpler, faster, and more beginner-friendly. FieldPulse is more flexible, deeper, and better for structured growing teams. The right choice depends on whether you value speed or control. If this comparison helped you, hit like, comment which tool you are considering, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns that help you choose software without confusion.